Ever wanted to feature all the new arrivals on your page but were stumped on how to do it? I'm Poch from Intention Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So we'll start here at the dashboard. As you can see, we have a bunch of menus here on the left side. We'll just want to click on the second one. It's inventory, and then we'll click on product groups. Now, once on your product group screen, you'll have all the product groups you have available. We're just going to want to create a new product group for our new arrivals. So up here in the top right, we have a plus button. Let's click on that. And then you're taken here to the private group. Now, you can just type here new arrivals for the title. And then down here in the defined it portion, under the field, we just search for new arrival and put that in. Now, once you do that, you can see here that we've created a group with all the new arrivals available. So that's perfect. Let's just click on save. Now we have a new arrivals group created. Now, to get the link to your new arrivals group, all you have to do is go here on the right side and see here, copy product group link. The perfect thing about this is you can link this group to any page you have on your homepage or on your website. If you want to see more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your in-store or online sales quickly, visit our website at intentionallycreative.com.